There's 290 million registered vehicles in the United States. I don't know how many drivers that equates to, but I can tell you this, about half of them are crazy. And some just have no sense of awareness, you know? And some are downright criminal. I saw a story on the news where these folks intentionally slammed on their brakes in front of somebody to create a fraudulent insurance claim, but it was all captured on the dash cam. I decided right then and there I needed one. So when the folks at Vycol reached out to me and asked me to review their Mini Smart Wi-Fi Dashcam, of course I was like, sure. This is the Orbit 1, okay? They want you to drive safe and have a happy trip. But you can get this on Amazon for 40 bucks. There's a little dash cam here. Comes with these accessories. And this is super simple. You do need to download the app on your phone, but it works for Android or iOS or whatever. It comes with a 32 gig mini SD card, but it'll support up to 128 gigs. It's 2.5K. It has loop, lock, photo. It's voice controlled. Works on Wi-Fi with the app. So you just take this little doohickey here. We're just gonna stick this right up here. There, it's stuck. Holy crap, this power cable is really long. Anyway, we plug it in. Plug it into your cigarette lighter or whatever that is. Boom, we got power. As soon as you plug it in, it powers up. And it starts recording. It's just that easy. On the app, once you get it connected, I got to connect to Orbit 1, okay, on the Wi-Fi. I can actually see what's being recorded right now if I wanted to do that. You could pause. You can do all the controls here. You can go to the camera files, download all the clips from the camera. So now we're going to drive around and check out the video. Now, it also comes with some screensaver thingies, little clips for your cable if you want it there permanently, you know, some wipes and other stuff you may or may not need, I don't know. But for 40 bucks, you know, okay. Let's see what kind of video we get out of it. One of the features I really like is the voice control. Need to get a quick picture? Just tell it. Take photo. Boom, I got a picture. Just looking at the video on that thing, it's got like a really great wide angle, viewing angle, whatever. You get the whole deal. And if you want to lock in any particular section of video, you can tell it to do that. I got all you lunatics on video, all of you. You can even get video of crazy people walking up and down the street. Yes, I know. It does everything any other dash cam can do. But this one's mini, so you can move it from vehicle to vehicle. And more importantly, it's only 40 bucks. 40 bucks on Amazonia. I'll put a link in the description for you. 40 bucks. I feel like a winner today. Winner, winner, wing dinger. Thought I would take the time to get y'all some rainy day footage also. Of course, in order to do that, I had to wait till the next day when it got cold and rainy, so you're welcome. When you're all done and you get where you're going, you just pop this little thing off of here and, you know, take it in and do your thing. Get the footage, whatever you want to do. Move it to the other car. It's that easy. I'm not sponsored by these folks. This is just a product review. So you could buy 1 million of them and I won't make a penny. Of course, to buy 1 million of them, you'd need $40 million. So maybe just buy one or two. I gotta get home and make my famous cowboy stew for the game tonight. Always put your carts back, people. Put the cart back in the cart thingy. So anyway, if you're like me and you're not exactly tech savvy, this is the dash cam for you. Super simple, plug and play. I'm just gonna pop it back up here, plug it back in, and away we go. That's gonna do it for this product review of the Vycol Orbit 1 Mini Wi-Fi Smart Dash Cam. That's a mouthful. Again, link in the description. Go check it out for yourself. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you next time.